Imagine a society where we can replay our dreams, where machines create world-class art, where coders are no longer needed. In the midst of the AI revolution, there are many tools that are diminishing the line between possible and impossible. It's simply not the same anymore. Now we can accomplish way more by harnessing the power of AI. To see how, let's jump into 10 AI technologies that are way ahead of their time. Number 1. Leiapix.ai. The first tool on this list is called Leiapix.ai. Now what it does is super magical. It can turn your photos into an animation that you can use as an MP4 video or a GIF. How can you access this tool? Hover to the address bar of your browser and type convert.leiapix.com. This tool offers a lot of features for free. You can select which area of the photo you want to animate, and you can also select at what pace the animation should happen. Now, this is mind-blowing. It can save YouTube creators and other producers a lot of their After Effects time. One important thing that deserves to be mentioned is the UI. It's seamless, minimalistic, and easy to use. Everything that you might want is simply in front of you. Now what this tool basically does is exploit the 2.5D parallax effect. Making this effect took a lot of time before this, but now it can be accomplished with just a few clicks of your browser. Number 2. AI Speech Coach. The second tool on this list is a game changer. It is set to revolutionize the way you give professional presentations. It is present in Microsoft PowerPoint in the latest version, but to access it you will need a Microsoft account, which in most cases is provided by organizations and ALMAs. Now, what it does is help you correct your body language for your presentations. Once you access it, it welcomes you and then tracks your body movements, and it prompts you over things like making eye contact, using hand gestures, and it even tells you if you're using a lot of filler words. So just once, before you land in front of the panel, seek its help, and you will know the probable mistakes that you might end up making at the bigger platform. This tool is also very commendable because introverts find it very difficult to ask for help, and with such tools, they don't have to live through the fear of making mistakes in front of everyone else. So give it a try and take your productivity to a whole new level. Number 3. HomeStyler AI. Gone are the days when you had to look into a lot of catalog to find a perfect skin for your home. HomeStyler AI brings you the convenience of uploading an image of your room, and it will automatically suggest how you should decorate it. No matter what the place, it has a ton of designs and color schemes to help you find the perfect combination. Their website is also professionally designed, and in terms of experience, it is a 10 out of 10. The tale doesn't end there. You can also make a complete floor plan for your dream villa. The subscription of this tool covers everyone. Architects and interior decorators, with the help of this tool, are set to throw the competition out of business. The website also offers a set of tutorials, so even if you are not that tech savvy, you can easily navigate through different sets of tools to make a design that speaks your personal design language. Number 4. Adobe Podcast. All of us have come across people at local coffee shops and smoke parlors planning to start their own podcast. But do you ever wonder, why do most of them fail? It is because the amount of money required to set up a studio is a mammoth. Not many can afford to spend a couple of grand on specialized audio equipment, sound padding, and tools required to post-produce audio. But now that barrier has been breached. Go to Google and search Adobe Podcast. Here you can see a simple page asking you to input your audio files. Once you upload, it will automatically remove all the noise and enhance your speech to studio standard. This tool is also helping a lot of voiceover artists by cutting down the time they spend in post-production. Royalty-free music is another pain point that this tool is targeting. From its own curated libraries, you can choose intros, outros, transition sounds, and background music. The tool also tends to learn from your voice. You can edit your audio by simply making changes in the text that it already has transcribed for you. Number 5. Photoshop's Generative Fill. Adobe is not in the mood of stopping. They have altogether revolutionized the Photoshop experience in their latest beta version by adding tools like Generative Fill and Neural Filters. Let us deal with Generative Fill first. Open up any photo of yours on Photoshop Beta in a document that is larger than the size of original photos. Now, select the empty white areas and click on Generate. Photoshop will learn from the environment around and fill the white areas. Not only that, you can select any area of your picture and ask it to add, for example, goggles on your face, and it will completely blow you away by accurately adjusting proportions and shadows. That's not it. Neural filters, on the other hand, can learn from what you are trying to create and can come up with purpose-specific garnishes and environments, making it super easy to create artworks for your new books or simply any other application. To access Photoshop Beta, you have to complete your Creative Cloud login, and then from Beta options, you can install it on your Mac or Windows device. Number 6. Transform.AI. What if you are camera shy, but you love making videos on YouTube? Explore Transform.AI. You can upload your footage on this tool, and it can turn it into a character that perfectly speaks like you, moves like you, and expresses emotions like you. Driven by artificial intelligence and machine learning, this tool can also enhance character animations, making them more lifelike. It can also synthesize and modulate character voices, facilitating dubbing, localization, and personalized character creations in video games. Language translation and dubbing are made more accessible, maintaining lip syncing and character movements. Interactive storytelling, branching narratives, and improved visual effects are also within reach now. Moreover, this transformation tool can save time and cost for animators and content creators, democratizing the creation process. To cater for ethical concerns, this tool never helps you mimic another personality, but you can turn into a cyborg, a cute little dinosaur, or any other character you like. Number 7. TinWeb. Now, if you thought coders and web developers will never lose their jobs, this tool, called TinWeb, will change your beliefs forever. Every business needs a website, and web developers charge a lot of money for creating a website that can truly help bring in more customers. But now, with TinWeb, you can create a website for your business on your own. You just have to tell the website about your website, and it will create a custom website on its own. When the designing part is complete, you can edit everything with Elementor extensions, which are already enabled for you. It also saves you from the hassles of paying different fees to different platforms for domains and hosting services. Not only that, AI is there to help you whenever you need it. It is more like a personal tutor. And still, if you find something too difficult to do on your own, you can ask AI to do it for you. Another mentionable aspect of this tool is that it can import your existing website to WordPress with just a couple clicks, without having to deal with the hassle of installing separate plugins for different items. Number 8. Google Pixel 8. This one kind of feels like an outsider to the list, but this is why we mentioned technologies in the beginning of this video. Google Pixel 8, their latest release, is perhaps the most powerful artificial intelligence gadget money can buy if you're a creator. The camera has been updated, and yes, there are a lot of hardware functionalities, but this standalone phone, takes post-production to a whole new level. The tale of its wizardry begins with the Magic Editor. It's a versatile and enchanting tool that brings your photo and video editing dreams to life. You can achieve almost anything by demonstrating this tool, instead of spending time on post-production. With Face Unblur, you can see the magic of blurry faces becoming crystal clear, frozen in time even if they were once in motion. The Audio Eraser, a sonic sorcerer, banishes unwanted background noise from your videos, ensuring your content sounds as enchanting as it looks. And when you need to magnify the essence of a moment, Zoom Enhance, with its generative AI prowess, not only zooms in on images, but also reconstructs missing pixels to reveal intricate details, making every frame a work of art. Apart from these features, Google is trying to weave a web of AI between all software components of the phone, so you can control it by just commanding it instead of finding hidden Easter eggs in the Settings app. Number 9. Runway.ml. Faceless content is everywhere, and there are reasons for it. Since it doesn't prominently feature a human face or identity, it possesses universal appeal. It respects privacy and anonymity when needed and aids cross-cultural communication. It offers visual consistency, versatility in different media forms, and can be creatively used for engaging storytelling. But making these videos is nothing short of a hassle. Producers spend hours finding relevant clips for different scenarios, and yet keeping audiences engaged is a different challenge on its own. But there is this tool called Runway.ml. You can just write text and it can produce relevant clips, not one, but 4 of them. This can help producers download a huge data set of visually appealing and content-centric clips by just typing a few phrases. This tool is literally a game changer, and you can adopt it for your faceless content journey by spending a few bucks. Number 10. Blockade. This tool is on the top 10 of this list because it helps you accomplish something that originally used to be a tough task. Yes, with Blockade, you can create a custom 3D environment by just prompting the tool about your needs. It never used to be like that. Before this tool, you would have to spend ages on tools like Blender to create a small 3D model. But now, you can create environments, add objects, change their places, and download these assets in just a few minutes. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis for more news from the world of AI. We will catch you in the next one. Until then, click on the video link popping up as it will tell you about the dark, untold side of AI.